Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sandbox in a RAS. EO, step by step. Sandbox mode is a fantastic feature that provides a private environment for you to experiment with different tank builds and strategies without the pressure of a live game. To get started, simply look for a server specifically designated as a sandbox or private server in the game's server list. Often, the very first player to enter a fresh sandbox server automatically becomes the operator, granting them special control. Once you are in a sandbox server, the real fun begins with commands. To access the command console, simply press the backtick key, usually found next to the number 1 on your keyboard. If you ever forget a command, pressing backtick plus F1 will bring up a helpful menu. Some essential commands include backtick plus K to instantly kill your tank, and backtick plus N to gain infinite levels, allowing you to max out your stats quickly. Beyond the basics, Sandbox mode offers advanced features for deeper experimentation. You can fine-tune your tank's attributes by holding the backtick key, then pressing S and a specific attribute key to add points. To test against powerful foes, use commands like /spawn followed by the boss's name, such as Summoner or Nest Keeper. For quick navigation, simply press backtick plus E to teleport, or use /TP with specific coordinates for precise movement. To truly maximize your sandbox experience, remember to experiment widely. Try out different tank builds and stat distributions to discover what works best for your playstyle. Practice your dodging and aiming skills against the various entities you can spawn. Furthermore, testing different tank matchups will give you a significant advantage, helping you understand their individual strengths and weaknesses. The sandbox is your personal training ground. Use it to become a master of a RAS, EO.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.